What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, back at it with another video, man. Today we'll be talking about the last Air Jordans to release of 2018, man. December is gonna be a very short and fast month when you're speaking about Kwanzaa or Christmas, whichever one you celebrate. There's gonna be a lot of money being spent, and Jordan Brand still dropping those sneakers for y'all to buy. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna fill your addiction. They're gonna keep dropping these sneakers. You feel me? So this video, we're gonna talk about what shoes is dropping, which shoes you should cop, and of course, I'm gonna let y'all know what shoes I'm going after and what shoes I'm gonna add to my collection for the rest of 2018, man. So with all that being said, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video, and make sure you hit that thumbs up right now before we get into it, man. So let's get into the video. So the first sneaker I want to talk about is the Air Jordan 10 Orlandos. I just recently added my first pair of Air Jordan 10s to my collection, which was the Air Jordan 10 on backs, and I'm hooping in those shoes. You feel me? They're very comfortable, very durable. I've been hooping them for about a good 4 or 5 months, and they've been doing me good. They've been very comfortable, securing my ankle, securing my foot, and I love them, man. But these Orlando 10s is a shoe that I'm gonna have to add to the collection where I'm gonna rock and not beat up like I'm hooping in them, you feel me? So the Orlando 10 I'm back, or the Orlando 10s, is a shoe that I can see myself getting, and I wanna know if y'all going after them too. Let me know if y'all think the resale gonna be high or low. This is like one of those original OG retro colorways, and I see a lot of old heads going after it, younger kids going after it, just because the iconic colorway, the original colorway, people going after, you feel me? So y'all let me know if y'all going after those. You know, they're retailing for $190. Of course, almost every Air Jordan is retailing for $190. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below if y'all going after those. Let's get into the next sneaker. The next sneaker, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the list right now, is the Air Jordan 11 Concords, man. I'm pretty sure everybody that's watching this video right now is going after the shoe. If you didn't cop no other shoe for the rest of this year, man, I know for sure you're going after these Air Jordan 11 Concords, man. They're retailing for $220, which is pretty steep, but hey, Jordan Brand gonna hit us over the head with that price, and y'all know everybody's gonna cop it. I haven't pushed play on my video, I just noticed that, so let me hit play. So instead of playing music videos, man, I'm playing my own videos to support myself, you feel me? If ain't nobody else got my back, I got my back, sorry. Let's get into the next thing, man. Let's go. The next Air Jordan is Air Jordan 3 Mochas, which I touched on a little bit in my last or 2 videos ago when I said I'm only copping one more pair of sneaker. And this shoe right here, I can see myself getting just because I have no brown and white shoes. Like I need to at least put a little brown in my collection, you feel me? Just in case I want to step out and wear some brown, you feel me? I gotta get some brown, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead, I might get these. But like I said, man, these are not a must for me. The only must in this whole video I'm doing today is the Air Jordan 11 Concords. And like I said, I just want to know what y'all going after and what y'all think I should go after, and you know what I'm saying, get some discussion in the comment section below. So y'all let me know if y'all going after these $190. As always, like I said, let me know if y'all going after these Mocha 3s, man. Let's get into the next Jordan. The next Jordan, which I really wasn't even feeling the colorway, the Air Jordan 12 Winterized. Like, I'm not feeling this joint at all. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them. I'll put the pictures always right here so y'all can check them out with me, as well as I'm looking at them down here on my iPad, you feel me? So y'all let me know how y'all feeling these. Retail $190. That's already like, that's already almost like $500 on Jordans. Jordan Brand gonna get their money, man. Jordan Brand know what they doing, and they hitting us with a lot of releases, man. This year's been a lot of crazy releases that people were like, oh, I need this in my collection. And it's hard for a sneakerhead to be like, all right, I'm only copping this one. I'm not gonna cop this one just because it's crazy, bro. I know how it is. It's been months where I done bought 5 pairs of sneakers just because Jordan, phones, like Nike and Jordan is just hitting us over the head, man. It's just like an addiction to buy shoes. So I know how y'all feel. So let's get into this next Air Jordan, man. The next Air Jordan is the Air Jordan 6 Jimmy Butlers. This is gonna be, I think it's gonna be one of those like limited releases, those quick strikes, just because it's a player exclusive and they got a player's name in NBA on the shoe. Depending on how his little run went, with the Timberwolves earlier this season. Going into playing with the 76ers, I don't know how this might play with the sales. Hey man, but it's a dope colorway. Y'all check it out. Let me know how y'all feeling it. These will be retailing for $109 as well. Most of these shoes are on the list is $109. Y'all already know how I go with Jordan brand. So y'all let me know if y'all going after them in the comment section below. Let me know if y'all feeling. Let me know if y'all not. And yeah, let's just get some discussion in the comment section below. Like I said, man, let's get into the next Jordan. Okay, the last Jordan is the Air Jordan 4 tattoos. Like this shoe, I know some people might be feeling it watching this video, but me personally, it's an easy pass, you feel me? I've been passing on a lot of sneakers that's just not a must. Like back when I was like 18, 19, 20, I was just copying anything that released. That's how my collection got as big as it is now. But now I'm just trying to like pick and choose which ones I need the most, and not just going and buying shoes off impulse, and not just trying to buy shoes just for review on the channel, you feel me? So I'm trying to do better with the impulse buys and the shoes that I really want. And yeah, it's been, I can see a difference, because maybe like a year ago I can see myself having like almost every shoe that I've done released and have a review on the channel, but hey man, I can't do it no more, bro. I gotta get the shoes that I want, shoes that I need, and the shoes that I like the most, you feel me? I can't just be splurging, bro. I can't just be splurging, man, like y'all be splurging. I can't do it. I can't fool up with y'all, man. Alright guys, that is it for the last Jordans to release in 2018. I want to know what all you guys feel in the comment section below. Which ones y'all going after, which ones y'all passing, and let me know if you guys gonna try to get them to flip. Maybe like the Jimmy Butlers or the Concords might have a little resale on them. So y'all let me know that in the comment section below. With all that being said, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. As always, man, always gonna be in the description box below. And make sure you hit that thumbs up for your boy right now. Also, make sure you subscribe. Make sure that notification bell is rung. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.